Hey guys, I'm back again with this nail tutorial. I don't know if you guys seen this already on Instagram, but I'm attempting to do that. Alright, so I am prepping my nail, just cutting it down to the desired length, and then and I'm using my e-file to file down the corners and roughen up the smooth edges. I really don't like that part right there of that the clip-on nail, so I'm filing down to match the natural nail, and then I'm putting my form on. It's kind of tricky putting the form on this type of finger. It will keep slipping off, so if you guys have a better way, please comment. So right now I'm building my tip first with this really kind of a light bubble pink. I just kind of mix my own colors. I don't have a specific acrylic, so what I use is like a white acrylic from Mia Secret, and then I use some pink mica powder and just mix it together to your desired color. So right now I'm building my tip, little bead at a time. I wanted to make it as long as possible, so just put a little bit on the tip, and then clean your brush off, remember, and then brush it up towards the natural nail to blend it all together. And then I was out of frame again. I'm just putting a bead on the cuticle area and then brushing it down. Make sure you get your side walls. And then while the acrylic powder was still a little wet, I went ahead and put some of the graffiti paper. Is that glass art paper that you can get on Amazon. I think I used the hollow color and a little bit of the pink color of the graffiti paper. And I just dab it on whichever you want it. And then I put a little bit of that pink once again over it. Kind of brush it down. Not too much because you don't want to get rid of all that pink color. And then I encapsulate everything with the clear acrylic. And I was out of frame again. But I just put one bead of acrylic starting from the middle of the finger and then brushing it down, making sure my acrylic powder was a little dry so I can control it and it will not be slipping on the side walls. And then I just put some more of the powder wherever I needed it to be. And then this is the shaping. Remember, whenever you shape, you kind of go with the shape of your file. Since my file is like that, so I went like kind of diagonal wise, and it won't hurt your client nail beds or side walls. I use the hand file first because for me it's easier, and I can get my shape in and the side walls down, and make it look more natural than it actually is. And after that I go in with my e-file. I just like using a hand file because I feel like I have more control over it. So yes, just smooth it down. If you do your nails and you make sure you kind of brush and lay down your acrylic correctly, you won't have a lot of lumps and bumps. So you don't have a lot of filing to do. So right now I'm using my e-file. I'm using a smooth bit, and a tip is whenever you use your file for a long nail, extend your drill bit a little higher so you can get every part of the nail, and then just go one way. Don't go back and forth with the bit. That will cause friction, and then you will be slipping around and will make a mistake of cutting your client. So as you can see, just one way. Takes a little longer, but it does the job. And right here I am top coating first. I like a smoother canvas to draw the nail art on. To be honest with you guys, this took me like 3 attempts to actually do. So I figured out how to do it. I'll just draw random lines. When you draw this, you use the tip of your brush, so your lines will be not straight, I guess. It'll be kind of wiggly. Don't have to be perfect. Just draw lines, and then you will connect those lines to make boxes, I guess. See, as you can see, that's one. And you just keep going with the tip of the brush. I got these brushes from Amazon, and I just kind of cut it around it for a thinner strokes, because the brushes that came home, they were too thick. They have too much hairs on it. These were pretty cheap, so yes, you can customize your own. So there you go. Now I'm just darkening the strokes of all the openings that I like. And again, use the tip. For better control, use your pinky. Like you can see, lay your pinky on one of your other fingers for control, and you won't be shaking too much. So then on some of the openings, they were too big, so I kind of draw a line in between it, and I make it into smaller openings. After this, I will cure it for maybe 60 seconds, and then I went in again with the black gel polish to deepening in the corners. After that, I just cured it. If I'm happy with the way it looks, I cured it. And then I went in with the gel polish again to draw around the border. I did not record that. Well, I guess my phone stopped recording. My phone was out of storage. And then after that, I tried to go on top the lines with a matte coat, but I really didn't like it. So I just ended up top coating everything. So please give me a thumbs up, share, like, comment for your next video. Thank you. Bye bye.